Hey guys, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools and DIY channel. The robots are taking over. Wait a minute, calm down, it ain't that serious. Well, at least not for now. See you right after this. Now with the collaborative robot, you simply have to grab the robot, move it to where you want it, record a point by pressing a button like a giant virtual dot-to-dot puzzle. It's pretty simple. And let's say you want to weld a lap joint. You start with the robot in the home position, move it to the starting point, hit record, give it a torch angle, adjust it easily with the knob on the top, hit record, move it to the end of the weld, tweak the torch angle to make sure it's exactly the way you want it, hit record again, take it away, hit record, park it in the home position, hit record, and that's it. Now let's run the program. First, name it. Bring the robot down to the starting point, hit the play button, and let it do its thing. Robots are changing the game when it comes to welding. No, they won't totally replace humans, but when it comes to certain repetitive tasks, you can definitely see how attractive robots would be in a capitalist economy. It's the rise of the machines, and productivity reigns supreme. But as futuristic as automation may seem because of its speed and efficiency, humans still outperform robots on the more complex decision-making tasks that require creativity and customization. Most robotic operations are like one-hit wonders. They can be programmed to perform a specific task over and over and over again. But what happens when a new task needs to be executed? Well, at that point, you have to reprogram the robot for that new task. This is where humans take the baton from the robots, because humans can perform a variety of welds of different types without having to be reprogrammed. I'm pretty sure there are some artificially intelligent robots out there that can switch welding processes on a dime, but they haven't saturated the market as far as I know.
So what we're showing here today, we got a Rebel 205 AC/DC system. We got a little Rogue stick welder, DC TIG welder. And we got a 215 Rebel, everything but AC TIG. We have our Warrior 750, our Monster right here. It's our Arc Air version, our ABS feeder, and our HD 404. Out here we got our new 30 Plus Cutmaster. We got our 40 Cutmaster right here. And right now we're showing our ESOP Cobot.
I've seen about two of these already.
Have you seen this one?
I haven't seen this.
Well, listen, let Matt see this one. This one's different than all of them.
Okay.
It's you could actually, you don't have to be an engineer to weld it. You use it on your phone and your tablet.
User friendly, most user friendly?
Most user friendly, absolutely, 100%.
Okay, I believe you.
Check it out.
Yeah, sure. I'll take a look at it.
Matt Bryan. Oh yeah. My brother's training. Give me a car. That's a cool rig. Okay, but you're out of training. What's your last name? I'm gonna write it down.
So mine, I don't work for ESOP.
I know you're the designer.
Absolutely. You know, there's such a shortage of welders now. Absolutely. Have a mobile training unit like that's fabulous.